Here is a prototype that we made in wood with wood screws and different things like that. We get the distance between the different floors. So here, the first one, you see, we put the frame inside. This frame allows us to get these parts. Then we can put different walls later. Here we got the LED module that is inside. We reproduced from here to here the length of the original retro projector we will use. So here is quite important. Or you're with threaded rods or you build something out of wood to get the right distance. Okay? This allows then you to put the new plate here. This new handling tray is the place where we put the Fresnel lens and the glass. What is also important when you unbuild a machine that is an old plastic or metal frame is to get the dimensions and height between the Fresnel lens and the metal glass. When you unbuild old projector, just try to put a screwdriver or something just underneath to take the glass and then to measure the distance between the glass and the Fresnel lens. This will allow you to reproduce as much as possible the thickness of this plate and then to build it with different thickness of wood. Here you see I used, for instance, 5 mm wood 2 times to get the inside here of the frame. This allowed me to get both the structure to put the glass, that is not so thick here, you see, and to get the right distance between the Fresnel and the glass. So for instance here, it was a 1 cm thickness that we used from the inside to the bottom of the glass when it's put it together. Then you will have to use different woods around for the frame to be just in the right height with the glass. So the glass is here something like 3 or 4 mm. The purpose with your wood frame around is to protect it and to be really adjusted. Then when you put some plastic drawings or different layers of contents in the future when you use it, the purpose is that it can slide from one side to the other without anything blocking. So that's quite important. So first of all, you got to measure the distance between the bottom and the handling tray, and then to measure the distance between the Fresnel lens and the glass. Then to make this plate from the different thickness of wood, allowing you to get a plate that is as much as possible without any border. This is something we put it in the 3D modelization that we got, that you can find on this link. And this modelization has to be adjusted with the measurements you will make on your machine. Matching the electronics with the structure, we have to consider making an operator panel because it allows you to shut on and off the LED system, but it can also allow you to adjust the brightness and to plug other electrical systems. For instance, here we adjusted the box with a European 220 volts system. It's adjusted for that, because it's not an autonomous system, it's a system that we can plug in the electricity anywhere. We got then a transformator, an adapter to go to 24 or to 12 volts to 220 volts. And then we plug it directly here. Multiple plug can put in this space. This space was built specifically for this machine. The purpose is to get something that is for you comfortable when you're using it, to switch on the light and then to adjust the lighting. So here you got all these parts put it differently that can be assembled together in this place. Then you can adjust the lighting here. You can plug different modules if you need motors in another situation. And also you can plug the LED system with an on and off light. In the 3D model, you will see that we advise you something that is more sophisticated here in display to get a switch on and off, then fader or something to adjust the light. And you will get also one other thing here, that is the fan. The fan is super important because these LED lights that we use are quite warm. And so we need to get something that allows warm air to go out. We get here a basic grid that we can get from a bricolage store. This can also be something that you laser cut with different patterns or whatever you want. The important thing is to get just here a fan that allows you to get fresh air and to take out the warm air from the box. Thank you for watching this video. As you've seen, there are many things to improve, create or remix, so please feel free to participate to the community.
You can follow us on Instagram, you can go on our website visiophare.org, where we have a lot of documentation and blueprints we share for free to help you build your own overhead projector or convert your original one with LED. Feel free also to go on the forum of Visiophare to share your builds, ask your questions, share your ideas, and together I'm sure we can improve a lot the possibilities of this fascinating machine. Thank you and see you soon.
Thank you.